Firstly, rate your gymnastic ability out of 10.
I'm going to go confident and go with a 6.
What about your flexibility?
Go with a 7.
Finally, what's your spatial awareness out of 10?
7.
7?
7.
Alright, so you should be able to stick it, so you should be able to know where you are in the air and stick that somersault pretty easily. Well,
yeah.
He sounds pretty confident, we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, so today I'm here with Sean from Rolla Granola. He wants to learn to do a little bit about diving. He kind of set me a challenge to teach him 3 skills. So what we're going to do is the handstand, and we're going to try and hold it for 5 seconds. 3 to 5 seconds, we'll see. After that we're going to go on the dry board, which is just behind me, and we're going to try and make him do a front somersault and try and stick it like a gymnast would. Finally, we're going to teach Sean the hurdle step, which obviously I do to approach the end of the board, all divers do to approach the end of the board, and we're going to try to teach Sean that and see if he can do it successfully. In the handstand, you've got to have your arms straight as possible. That's going to help you hold it. The main thing is just trying to find the balance once you get it. For me, I get my hips over my head and then control my way up to the handstand. Hold it and then you find the balance. Using your fingers is kind of critical. First attempt, let's see what we got.
Oh.
What I'm going to do now is basically you're going to do the same thing what you just did, but I'm just going to try and hold your legs.
Okay.
Right, so you can get that balance. So you kick up,
Yeah.
and then I'm going to grab your leg. We'll just try and hold it for 5 seconds.
Alright, so you're going like the opposite, so
Yeah.
like if you feel like you're going that way, my legs simply go that way to balance me,
Yeah.
but they need to do the opposite.
Yeah, you kind of got to try and counter it a little bit. Try and
Yeah.
counter where you feel like you're leaning to, and feel like where you're going to get a balance. Basically what you're going to do is just do a handstand against the wall, try and get your back flat against the wall.
Okay.
You want your hands like just a little bit away, so maybe with your hands about here,
Yeah.
your fingertips about there. There you go. And keep holding, keep holding, keep holding. That was easy, eh? Come back down.
That's good. That's good.
Yeah.
The shoulders.
That was good.
When you're up. Oh, come on. 40 seconds.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Nearly. If you need to move your arms, just to stay balanced, all right, feel free, like, go ahead and just try and stay up in the handstand for as long as possible. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh.
What's that? 4?
Are you ready?
5? Yes! Get it done. Challenge complete.
Not bad, good start. We've done challenge 1, next thing.
Easy.
If you put your feet right at the end,
Right there.
yeah, arms up, and then you're just going to do a big jump forward onto the mat.
Keep my arms up the whole time.
Yeah, just keep your arms up. It's pretty solid. Exact same thing again, see if you can go a bit higher. So when you take off, you've got to feel like you're stretching up to the roof. Perfect, very good. I want you to do a forward jump and make a tuck shape and then come all the way back out and stand it up. Easy work. That was pretty natural. What we're going to do now is basically just going to imitate and then moving up with somersault.
Okay.
Start here, do a forward roll, and then just start the ship back up. So it's kind of like the start, then the somersault, and then come out.
Okay.
Arms up, forward roll, and then up. When you do your roll, try and like grab your legs and actually make that tuck shape like you did on the forward jump. I think he's ready to go. Do you feel like you're ready to go?
Yeah, give it a go.
Let's do it. Let's go. Just like the jump that you did before, and then it feels just like the forward roll.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
I mean, okay, firstly, we survived. That's good.
Yeah.
when you jump, take off, throw, and your hips come up over, then you're going to touch it, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yes! Ooh, nearly. Nearly. One more. Come on. Oh. I'll take that. Champion. Good work. Challenge 2. Done. 2 out of 3 challenges complete. We've done them well. Successful. Happy?
Done. Yeah, very happy.
Yeah. Third challenge is the hurdle steps. If you watch my channel, you know that's how divers approach the end of the board. We have to walk down the board. I do like a little hop at the end, but we'll break it down and make it really, really simple. If we'll take a watch, this is what I do. We're not going to start all the way back there, we're going to start right at this end of the board, okay? We're going to start in the hurdle position. So
okay.
Whichever leg you're comfortable, you lift up. One toe that you're touching the other knee.
Okay. Okay.
Push, jump, 2 feet at the end of the board, and then jump up, right? Both arms up. Yeah. Then you jump and land on 2 feet at the end of the board. Hey. It was, yeah, you kind of did the arms a little bit early. It was the right kind of movement, just a little bit rushed, a little bit quick. Once you get to the end of the board, then you try and add in the arm swing. Almost. Exactly. Better? Perfect, that's it. Take one left arm, so from this position where you started, just take a step back. Alright? Okay. Now we've got to take a step and then do what you just did. As you lift your left leg, it means you step with your right leg. Because you come through here and you can lift your left leg.
Okay.
Arms now start inside.
Yeah.
And you step forward, up.
Looks very simple when you do it.
Got a big step like that? Yeah, that's enough. So you forward with the right, and then what you just did, if you can remember it. Okay, actually not a bad effort. When you step, it's just like a lunge. Yeah, a lunge into the hurdle position that we practiced at the end. No, that was right. That was actually completely right. Yeah, just a little bit out of balance. Bit better? That was good. One step back, one step back again. You don't have to be too big. This time you're just going to start with the opposite leg to take the step. So start with left leg, you go left leg first, and right leg up.
Okay. Easy peasy, yeah?
Easy peasy. Perfect. Very perfect, very smooth. Yeah? Perfect. That is probably the quickest hurdle I've ever taught. That was rough. That was like 5 minutes. That was perfect.
Minutes?
Killed
Done.
that. Easy.
Smashed it.
Should be a diver. 3 out of 3. Smashed it.
Done. So you get the granola.
I get the granola. I win the granola. Oh, look at all of that.
No added sugar. Healthy hazelnut. The zesty caveman. I think
Oh yeah, I've had that one before.
And the cool raspberry.
I've had that one before as well, that's good.
Maple pecan twist.
Didn't have that one. That sounds really nice though.
That was good. Got a couple of cashew greys.
Oh yeah.
No added sugar.
Yeah.
Macadamias, hazelnut. Cashews. Skinny
Awesome.
walnut. and energised, because obviously you need your energy.
Absolutely.
The big one. We then got a couple of special ones. The Anthem Nibbles, savoury.
Oh yeah.
Sweet potato.
Oh, I think I had that one before as well.
Yeah.
That was pretty nice.
Have it with a beer.
Oh yeah, okay.
Post-comp. You
I
know?
won't tell my coaches that.
And then you got a couple of bags of the Santa Special.
Oh, really Santa Special. I like that.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
That's Christmas in a bowl, that one. Enjoy.
Awesome. Look at all that granola, guys.
All there. Done.
You don't know? Check it out. Rolla Granola. They got the goods. Got the stuff. They got the Santa Special. If you're struggling with a present, maybe this is the way to go.
Stocking filler.